So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, a couple of days. It feels like a long time since I've been in front of the camera. I've been so busy working on Christmas cards with my Cricut. I've been learning so much. I forgot to link a couple of those in my last video. I will show you the cards I've made. If I remember this time, I really will try to remember, and I will show you at the end of the video. But before we begin, I am going to show you the painting from my previous video. It dried, it's resin, and it's beautiful. Take a look at her. And I'm sorry about the glare, but you know that happens when you top coat it with resin. Look how beautiful. Look at those colors. Isn't that beautiful? That flawless. Take a look at that. Gorgeous. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. Check her out. And I did paint the sides. So look at that. Tell me what you think about this beauty. I love it. I'm super happy with it. Love the stream of colors. See how they show up now? It's gorgeous. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section below. To all those of you that have been following me and watching my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. Continue to do that. All new people, subscribe to my channel. I welcome you, and I can't wait to get started and have some fun here. As I've been doing in my videos, I've been flooding my canvas just so that we speed up that process. If any of you have questions, please leave your questions, your comments, your feedback in the comment section below, and I will be sure to answer you. So we're going to go ahead and get started. My canvas has been flooded, and I am working on a double base, a split base color. And I'll show you when we get down at the table. Without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. So thank you everyone for joining me down at the canvas. And as you can see, we already have our canvas flooded. I'm working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I am using Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam Expert Series. And the gray is a mixture of titanium white and black by Arteza Loft. Okay, so those are my colors. My top colors that I'm going to layer. This is going to be a simple one, and I probably will go twice around. I am using Pearl Space Gray by Arteza, Titanium White by Winsor and Newton, and on top, Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Those are the only three colors I will be using. So we're going to go ahead, get started. I'm just going to blow this out a little more. I just wanted to push it over a little more. So we're starting with the Pearl Space Gray. There. Okay. Now I'm using the white. And I haven't done one of these in a while, so I figure it was time to revisit this. And now the Iridescent Blue Green. I might come in a little again, and this time I'm going with Pearl White by Amsterdam, just a little bit on top. and a little more of the iridescent. I'm just swirling this on top here, just like that. Okay, I think that looks good. We're gonna leave it there. Let's move these out of the way. Okay. We're gonna torch out the air bubbles. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and begin. Okay, so before I begin, I just want to tell you, I started from here and kind of fanned it out. Now I'm going to start from here and fan it out. So it kind of like looks the same, or at least in different areas. So we're going to go ahead. I love it. Look at the cell reaction popping up in here. Love it. And look at this one developing as well, and love how it looks. Wait till I bring you guys in for a close-up. I am going to use just a brush so that I can complete these lines here. Just bring them on through. Like that. Love it. It looks beautiful. I'm super happy with it. I'm gonna blow a little bit in here. Like that. And I'm gonna blow in here as well. I'm gonna come around that way. Oh, I love it. This is beautiful. Like that. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the color combination. I'm not doing anything to it, guys. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna clean my edges, bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here it is. And when I tell you, she is stunning. She is stunning. Beautiful. Love the color combination. So I'm going to come in. Look at the cells. Check out those clusters. Look at that. Beautiful, rich clusters. And you see the dark ones encasing the lighter colors. It's just gorgeous. Look at this. Gigantic cells. Love the border. Look as it branches out. Look at that. Gorgeous richness. Love the contrast of the iridescent, that gray, and then the turquoise. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at some lacing and webbing in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then let's take a look at the others. Look at this. Wow, what an explosion of cells here. Take a look. Look at those clusters. Beautiful. And then some lacing in there. This is from the other corner. And as we branch out, more richness, more clusters, beautiful colors. It's a little distorted here. There you go. Came back into frame. Absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you think about this painting. It is a beautiful, beautiful soft palette. Love the contrast of the colors here. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this beauty. I am happy with it. I love it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe. All that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.